Hi everyone, my name is Moses Maura, a construction project manager. I'll be taking you through Mjengo matters. Join me in this journey of studying, analyzing, and understanding construction matters. Today we are thrilled to take you through an exclusive tour of our rated masterpiece. That's a 4-bedroom Maisonette project. I'll be your guide through this exclusive journey, and trust me, you are in for a treat. And before I dive in, let me set you the stage. Picture this, a dreamy modern sanctuary that blends elegance with functionality. And trust me, we're in the middle of bringing that vision to life. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the magic happening at the plastering phase. Our team of skilled craftsmen are working tirelessly to turn raw materials into a symphony of spaces that you can call home. This is not just a building, but an experience crafted with precision, passion, and a touch of pure artistry. From foundation to framework, and now we are the plastering work. This is where the vision starts to materialize, where the walls start to tell a story of a home designed for both comfort and style. So fasten your seatbelt because the journey is just beginning. We can't wait to show you the completed masterpiece. Subscribe, like, and join us in this journey of bringing dream to life. Let's go.